Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the Roblox failed to load library EVR.dll error.
Fix 1. Restart your PC. Step 1. Close Roblox completely. Step 2. Restart your computer. Step 3. Open Roblox and try again. Fix 2. Update Windows. Step 1. Press Windows plus I to open settings. Step 2. Go to Windows Update. Step 3. Click Check for updates and install all updates. Fix 3. Reinstall Roblox. Step 1. Press Windows plus R, type AppWiz. CPL, press Enter. Step 2. Uninstall Roblox. Step 3. Restart PC. Step 4. Download Roblox again from the official website. Fix 4. Repair system files. Step 1. Search command prompt. Step 2. Right-click it Run as administrator. Step 3. Type sfc/scan now and press Enter. Step 4. Wait for the scan to finish, then restart. Fix 5. Update graphics drivers. Step 1. Right-click Start Device Manager. Step 2. Expand display adapters. Step 3. Right-click your GPU update driver. Fix 6. Disable antivirus temporarily. Step 1. Turn off your antivirus temporarily. Step 2. Launch Roblox. Step 3. Add Roblox to antivirus exceptions if it works.